So first of all, you have to choose your database where you want to import your Excel file. Let's say, for example, I want to import my Excel file in this April batch. So I will just right click in this April batch. This pop-up will appear. Now you don't need to click anywhere. Just hover to the task and this thing will appear. Here I will go for import data. I hope you remember earlier we were choosing the import flat file for uploading the CSV file. Now in this case, I have to upload the import, the Excel file. So I will click on this import data. Whether if you were choosing some other sources as well, even then you can go with this import data. Now let's go ahead. Just this wizard will appear. Now you have to click on next. Then it will ask for data source. So data source means, which kind of data source do you have? So basically now in this case, we are going to upload the Excel file. So I will click on this Microsoft Excel. Then it will ask for the file where your file is located. So I will just click on this browse section. And then let me select the supermarket sales data. As I will click on this open. Okay. Now, just you need to select the Excel version because we have like 2007 to 2010 here. Now, in this case, the maximum version it's available is 2016, where I'm using 2019 Excel version. Now I will click on this. Whether you are using 21 or like any advanced Excel version, then you can just select the maximum like 2016 if it is available. Then click on next. As you will click on next, this thing will appear. Now make a point. Probably if your system is new and if you are not getting this window, it's because your system has no, there is no any the package installed or your Microsoft account has not allowed to like proceed. So now in that case, what we can do is there is simple thing that what you can do is just open your Chrome browser and just search here the Microsoft Access database engine. As you will search the first website, this redistributable one, just click on this. Now you will see that this page will appear. Now we need to download this. So basically this is a Access database engine, which help us to, enable that, accessing database from multiple sources. So what I will do, I will just click on this download. When you will click on this, you will find this 3 file. So basically, now as of now, I'm using the 64-bit, but please don't proceed for 64-bit like Access database engine. I'm using 64-bit product of Microsoft. Even my Windows 11 now, and the supportable things in my system is 64-bit. Now I will go for 32-bit. Whether you are using 64 even, then go for this 32 because I have used this and I think it's working properly. So don't go for this. Now you will click on this and just click on next. So it will be downloaded. Guys, I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it again. So you have to just download it. When you will be downloaded, then you have to do one thing. When you will try to run this file, from the folder, like by double, like right clicking or double clicking, if you will open this file, it will not work. So what you need to do, just open the command prompt. Okay, CMD. When you will click on CMD, then what you need to do is, after that, just go to the folder where you have downloaded that file. Okay. Just go there where you have downloaded that file and copy the path of that this extension. When you will do that, then you need to paste it here. Like let's say I have copied. Okay. Let me copy it quickly. So basically, I download it in Python from scratch. I think, yeah, here I have downloaded. So see, I have this, right? I will just right click here and then I will click on properties and then I can copy this path, nothing else. Just copy this path, then go to the CMD and you can directly just, write CD to open it and then just paste it. Just press enter. When you will press enter, then this command prompt will enter into that particular folder. So from that place, we need to provide the name of that element because we want to run that, right? So here I will just click on this rename one and then you have to just copy this name. Okay, now again go to the command prompt, just paste it, then write .exe. This is the extension for that. Now space / and write to quit the program. So make sure you are writing the correct spelling, QUIET. So basically I have already run this, so I'm not going to run this again. Trust me, if you will do that, that things will be done. And then you have to restart your SQL Server Management Studio, and then you will be able to proceed. Okay, now then you will have this destination page, and here you need to select the destination page. Here I want to select this. Basically, no, always we need to select this OLEDB provider for SQL Server. Sometimes it's used to be client 11.0 something. So it's up to you. Just make sure you are selecting the last, destination. So just click on this. Then it will ask for server name. As I'm using the only one server, so it has been already fetched automatically. If you have two one, then you can just select by this drop down button. And then on the authentication, I'm using the window authentication. I don't have any username and password, so I will go for this. If you have any username and password, then you can just fill it out and then you can proceed. By default, it has asked my, selected my April batch because I have already right click on that. If you want to update in another database, then you can do that. Let's say, for example, I want to do in this case1 demo. Okay, I will just click selected this one, and then I'm going to proceed with next. I will click on next. Here, copy data from one or more table or views. So yes, I want to copy this table from that particular worksheet. As you will click, it will open that workbook, and in that workbook there are these many worksheets. So basically this is dashboard. So let's go for this one. I think this is a data sheet. Yeah. So in your case, if there are 2-3 sheets, then you can click on those all and then you can proceed. So as I have selected this only one, now I will click on next. Again, it's asking for run immediately. So yes, we want. So click on next, and then it's asking for finish. Just click on finish. You will see all the rows have been, like all the thing has been successfully done. And if you check the rows, then 1002 rows has been transferred into my database. Now you need to just close it. If you remember, then I uploaded into this case1 demo. I will just click on this. Okay, just to expand. And let's expand this table as well. So if you will see, just open, let's wait for a second. So now if you will see the supermarket sales we have in the database, this case1 database. So it's up to you. It's very easy. You can do it. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me into the comment box. I would like to help you out, or even you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If it was informative, then like, share, and subscribe.